Hey guys, I was just going to do a quick tutorial. I get a lot of questions asking how I get my 3D lashes off. You can use pretty much any makeup remover, face wash, soap in the shower, whatever you normally wash your face with to remove your lashes. I have a method I found kind of by accident in the shower several months ago. The hot water will kind of sit, if you let it sit on your lashes for a few minutes, they're very, very easy just to kind of, they'll slide right off. So that's all I use now. I do the water. I'll get some warm water, let it sit on my lashes just for about 30 seconds or so, and then they'll slide right off, and then I go through and wash my face with a wake afterward. And it's a system that works really well for me. I'm going to show you guys. As you can see, I've got a couple of coats on this eye. I have one coat on this eye left over from earlier, and I was just doing a tutorial video earlier, so I added another coat just to this eye. So I'm going to show you guys how it'll come off very easily, just using water. So I just get warm, almost hot water on a washcloth. I've done it even without a washcloth, just warm water on my hands before as well. And I'll just kind of like dab the water onto my lashes. Another thing before I do this really quick, if you ever want to wear your mascara from the previous day, if you ever wake up late, if you take a hot wash rag and just kind of pat your lashes like this, and then go through with your lash comb and get the clumps out, the warm water kind of activates, reactivates the gel, and it sort of fluffs your lashes back out. Also, it kind of curls them a little more than they were before. Anytime I add a second coat, you see how much better this one looks now that I've done that. The warm water will just kind of fluff them up. Kind of hate to take it off now. It looks so good on this eye. Anyway, that was just a little detour there. Back to the video. I usually just run a sink full of the warm water, and then after the warm water is set on my eyelashes for several seconds, I'll go in and just kind of pat it in with my fingers like this. And then it'll just slide right off. If you're in the shower, you don't even really have to do anything. The water will slide it right off, but it'll come off in little bitty, just the little fibers come off, all kind of stuck together. I always use a sink full of water if I'm washing my face outside of the sink. I just like to kind of always make sure that I look back down in it after and make sure that I didn't lose any natural lashes, and I never do. It's just the 3D that comes off. The little fibers, they'll come right off. And then I'll go back with my wake and wash my face after, but just to kind of show you quickly, it's as easy as that. That's how I do it. Hope you guys like that.